If you are one of my busy babes out there who know you need to do better with your meal prep life, but you're short on time and you're like, listen, I just need some on-the-go options that I can grab and go 5 minutes or less so I can keep it moving, this video is gonna be for you. What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to do this video for y'all today because this is a question that came up a few weeks ago. If you guys have been following my vlog, you guys know I have been in recovery, so I've been a little delayed in getting this video out, but this is a season of grace, so here we are. So I'm gonna give a little disclaimer before we get into today's video, but this is going to be for you guys who are on the go, you're moving and grooving, shaking and baking, and you ain't got a whole lot of time, okay? So you are gonna see some packaged things in this video. Now, these aren't necessarily things that I'm saying should be your entire total diet. The purpose of this video is to give you guys options of things that you can grab when you are on the move, so that way you don't wind up in a drive-through somewhere and totally left field from where you're supposed to go based on what you're trying to achieve. So I have several on-the-go options to share with you guys. Now, these are all gonna be high in protein, so they're gonna be perfect for you if you are looking to increase your muscle tone, have more lean muscle mass. If you're looking to tone up, tighten up, you gotta have lean muscle mass to do that. You gotta feed your body protein in order to do that. So all of these options that you guys are gonna see today are gonna be really high in protein and are going to help you if you're looking to aim around 20 to 25 grams of protein per meal, a little bit higher. These are gonna be great ones for you to choose. So these grilled chicken breast strips, okay, they're fully cooked already, just so you guys know, because I'm gonna save y'all a ton of time because these are my busy babes out here. So one serving size is 3 ounces, 21 grams of protein, 2.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carb. So these are fully cooked, y'all. That's the beauty of it. I told y'all we're gonna do things really smart here, okay? So these, you can microwave them if you want, or if you want, you can put them in a skillet and go. But I'm assuming you're gonna be on the go, right? So what I would do if I were you is I would just measure out 3 ounce serving of these. You will need a food scale to do that. And then you can add that to a microwave safe dish and heat it up, season it up, you're good to go. If you're looking for something hot to go along with it, I really like these minute rice cups, jasmine rice cups. Now, these are really convenient because all you have to do is just put this whole little thing inside the microwave, okay? And these, just so you know, 1 cup is 43 grams of carbs. So if you're looking to kind of stay more in the 20 range, and you could just have a half a cup of this, or if you're looking to kind of be a little bit higher, then you can eat the whole thing. So I want to show you guys how easy it is just to make these in the microwave. So y'all know I'm not kidding. Okay, so start to finish, all I did, I just put 84 grams, I just did 3 pieces, so it's close to 84, so we're good. We're about 21 grams of protein here. I'm gonna cover this up, put it in the microwave, and then I'm gonna microwave our rice, put that along with it, and we're gonna build this meal together. This was in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. So these are now cooked. This was in the microwave for 1 minute. Less than 3 minutes to create this meal, and then I'm just gonna add my rice to this. And like I said, you can add the full cup, or if you just wanted to do half of it, depending on your carb total for the day of what you're trying to aim towards for each meal, then you can adjust it from there. Then you just add your seasonings. You guys, as y'all know, I'm always gonna bring y'all some of my favorite seasoning blends. And right now, these are 2 that I'm crushing on. This is like a year-round fave, unless I'm like nearing end of contest season and I pull everything that has sugar in it. But Buttery Steakhouse, chef's kiss. This Jamaican jerk, also chef's kiss, bomb. 10 out of 10, recommend. So I'm just gonna season it up. And the chicken is fully cooked, and I'll be honest, it's not bland. Like, it has a little bit of something to it. Now, if you wanna dress this up a little bit, you can always add on some of your favorite sauces. This is another one of my favorite sauces I like. It's the Melinda's Black Truffle Hot Sauce. It's bomb, it's so good. I don't know what took me so long to get to this. No fat in this one. So this is a good one if you are looking just to keep your overall fat content on the lower side too. This is another one of my faves, as you can tell, because the bottle is like almost empty. This is by Flavor Gang. I'm not affiliated with either of these brands. I just like it, and I'm committed to y'all not having boring ass meal preps, okay? So again, if you wanted to, you could add your sauce on top of it, pop your lid on it, and boom, less than 3 minutes, you are good to go. You wanna add veggies to this, you can. If you wanna grab a salad while you're out and about, you can do that too. I know you got 3 minutes, and as quickly as I put that together, if that's kind of what you can commit to with your meal prep, maybe that's the way you meal prep. You put a few of these together on like a Sunday night for your lunch meals for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Season them up, make them grab and go easy, and then boom, you're out the door. You don't have to worry about it. One of the biggest pitfalls is just not pre-planning, and then you look up and you're just like, ooh, I don't have any protein. So if you enjoyed that one, let me know if you're gonna be using it down in the comments below. So maybe you're like, you know what, that's cool and everything, but I'm not gonna be able to sit and physically eat with a fork, a spoon. I just need something I can like literally pick up with my hands. These next two options are gonna be for you. So I love Quest chips. Again, I'm not affiliated with any of these brands I'm mentioning in this video at the time that I'm recording this video. I just like them. And the Quest chips I have found to be some of the better tasting options in the world, in the land of protein chips and treats and all that good fun stuff. And what I like about them is 20 grams of protein for this bag. So if you're trying to hit at least 100 grams of protein per day, this is a great way to do it. And this is also a good like snack option too if you are just craving chips. These come in so many different flavors. You can eat these by themselves, okay, if you're on the go, the purpose of this video. Or if you have more time, let's just say you were going to have a salad while you were out and you wanted to have a little bit of a crunch. You can take these with you, crush these on top of your salad, and boom, now you don't have to have the croutons, which can be higher in carbs, higher in fats and oils and all that stuff you're trying to avoid when you are looking to stay on it, okay? So these are another great option. And the last thing that I like about the Quest chips is it's low in carbs. So let's say, for example, you wanted to save your carbs for dinner, or you wanted to save them for, maybe you ate a heavier breakfast that day, or it's the end of the day and you're like out of carbs, but you need to kind of close that protein gap. This is gonna be a good one because this entire bag has 4 grams of carbs. 3 net carbs if you count the 1 gram of fiber that it has in it. And the last thing I'm gonna share with you guys today are these Bear Bells protein bars. So again, y'all already know high protein is the go, okay? That is the assignment. We understood the assignment. This is 20 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, which is on the lower side of protein bars. Some protein bars can be upwards of 16 grams of fat. I've seen some at 18 grams of fat, which is pretty high if you are looking at controlling your fat intake, number one, and two, you rather have your fats throughout other times of your day. The total carbs on this is 18 grams, 3 grams of fiber. So if you're counting net carbs, then 15 grams. So again, not crazy high. Some of these protein bars can be like 30 grams plus carbs. This can actually like take the place of a meal that you're looking to have protein and carbs and fats with. Just like the Quest chips too, they make different flavors, and you can buy these at gas stations. So the beautiful thing about a lot of these options is you don't have to go to a specialty store to buy them. You can literally get them from wherever you are. I know if you're in Texas, HEB also has these too. I've gotten these at different gas stations all across. So I hope you guys see from this video that it doesn't take a ton of time when you are looking just to grab something that's gonna be high in protein on the go and still conducive to your goals, whether you're trying to build muscle, lose fat, maintain. High protein options are going to really help you out along the way. So let me know if you got anything from this video. Let me know down in the comments below which of these options you're going to try. I share tips like this all the time with my weekly email list. If you want to subscribe to that, I'm not gonna spam you, I promise. You can check out the description box below. And of course, I am always here if you want to just fast track your weight and work with me one-on-one. I'll drop that link in the description box below too. For all my busy babes out there, if y'all enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, you want maybe snack options or dinner options, or if you want some dessert options, let your girl know. Comment down below. Please don't be shy in the comments. As you can see, I created this entire video off of a comment that you guys left me on our last one. Thank y'all so much for being here and for rocking with me. Until the next time, I'll talk to you later. Peace.